Kasi sabi nila, mga magician, mabibilis ang kamay at kaya-kaya nilang ipasok sa mga snakes. So right now, papatunayan ko na totoo sila. Joke lang. Anyways, we have 3 coins. Nothing more, nothing less. You can see 1, 2, 3. Alright? Babagalan ko lang yung kamay ko kasi sabi nila, masyadong confusing kapag masyadong mabilis. So I want you to look as closely as possible. You're going to see each of the coin travel from here to here. Ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Watch the coin. Actually, nakalimutan ko sabihin na hindi pala ito lumilipat. Sorry. Don't feel bad. Na-miss ko rin siya kung paano siya lumipat. Anyways, gusto niyo ba malaman kung bakit hindi niyo nakita na lumipat yung coin? Yes. Actually, karamihan gusto ko yan. Actually, sini-split niya yung attention niya into many different ways. Kaya medyo nako-confuse kayo. Bigyan ko kayo na example. Yung iba kasi sa inyo, tinitingnan ko paano gumalaw yung fingers. Dali. Yung iba naman sa inyo, tumitingin kung paano ko i-twist yung wrist. Right? Pero yung iba naman sa inyo, tinitingnan yung sleeves ko. Which is nakataas na siya kahit di naman dapat kayo tumingin. Yung iba sa inyo, nakatingin sa mukha ko, kaya hindi na nakikita na lumilipat yung coin from here. Pero wala pa rin sense na. Hindi pa rin natutunan. Gusto niyo ba makita na lumipat yung coin? Gusto niyo ba makita na lumipat yung coin? Yes! Watch the coin. From here to here. Don't worry guys, that's cheating. Shall we do it for real? They actually nangyari yung magic sa kamay ko. So this time we're going to try something interesting. So, dati mo katulungan. Kahit isang kamay lang naman kailangan. So we can see 3 coins. 1, 2, 3. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay? Would you verify that's 3, sir?
Yes, 3.
Ilalagay ko lang sa kayo ng dahan-dahan. 3. 5. Ganyan. Then kukuha ko ng isa. Pag kukuha ko ng isa, sarado mo agad yung kamay mo. Okay, fair? Sarado mo agad sa kamay mo. And we have 1 right here. Watch carefully. From here to your hand. From here to here. So, can you gently open up your hand and see how many coins?
3.
And you can see that's 1, 2.
Amazing!